Hoisting is a very important topic in JavaScript and it is often asked about it in JavaScript interview questions. The reason for this is because it is giving some unexpected behavior with the variables. When we have a variable and when we want to console log it before its declaration, we are expecting to get an error. But actually what we are getting is undefined. And the reason for this is because when JavaScript engines process our code, it takes two stages. The first one is to compile the code, and it is just going through all of the entire code that we have, and it is checking if there are any variables and saving them in the memory without assigning the values to them, even if they have assigned values. It's just saying in the memory that we have a variable x, and it is keeping a space for it in the memory. That is why even if we console log our x before its declaration, our engine knows that we have this variable, but it doesn't have the value for it, so it is taking it as undefined. The case is not the same with let and const. If we just change this one to let, you can see that immediately we are getting a reference error, and it is because the hoisting is not working with let and with const. If we have, for example, a function, and if we assign this function to a variable, if we console log our variable, again we are getting undefined, and this is again due to the hoisting of variables. And as we said, the hoisting is just because the compile stage of our code and just saving some space for all the variables that our JavaScript compiler finds in our code and keeping some memory for them. Thank you for watching.